Today, Matthew Culbertson entered a guilty plea to reckless homicide and improperly handling firearms while intoxicated. Agreement was reached primarily due to the fact that the young 16-year-old sister of the victim would have been required to testify, and the trauma of her testifying could have been an additional trauma that she did not wish to endure, and the family was in agreement with this result. The state had a difficult time establishing the actual motive of the defendant. No one will really know why Matthew Culbertson, someone extremely well trained in firearms, pointed a gun toward Jerri Vernon that day and shot her. The defense wanted to provide a witness that would have said he attempted to empty the firearm just prior to the shooting. The state would have contested that witness based on the use of a firearm. However, the allegation still would have been put forth in front of a jury, and a jury would have had to have decided whether the defendant's actions were a knowing attempt to cause serious physical harm to Jerri Vernon. Given that risk and the defendant going to prison for 5 years and not having to have this young lady who has been through so much with the death of her mother, father, and now sister, the state resolved this case with a guilty plea and the defendant spending the next 5 years in prison.